Alright, fellow YouTubers, this is a video of the CTC 3D printer from China, and it was the cheapest dual extruder I could find, so I'm going to unbox it, and they say it'll work right out of the box, and we'll see. Nothing. Spacer. Spacer. Lot of spacers. Packaged really well. Just a bunch of spacers. Alright, so that's it. Looks pretty good. There's not a lot of videos. Figured I'd be the guinea pig. I guess I'll pause the video. I'll take all this other stuff out. I'll find some directions, and I'll put up another video. I want to document this because there's not a lot of videos on YouTube.